To check your transaction history on Railway 2026, follow these simple steps to access your past transactions quickly and easily. Step 1. Open the Railway 2026 app. Launch the Railway 2026 application on your device. Ensure you are connected to the internet for smooth access. Step 2. Log into your account. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to the transaction section. Once logged in, look for the Transactions or History tab in the main menu. Click on it to access your transaction records. Step 4. Select the date range. In the transaction section, you may have the option to filter your history by date. Choose the desired date range to view transactions from a specific period. Step 5. Review your transaction history. After applying any filters, scroll through your transaction history. You can click on individual transactions for more details such as dates, amounts, and statuses. Now you can easily keep track of your transactions on Railway 2026. Following these steps will help you stay organized and informed about your activities.